Hello students, this is our first lab program, that is nothing but the quadratic equation. First we'll understand what is quadratic equation. How to solve one quadratic equation. We have the formula called minus b. Here I have wrote the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2 into a. 2 into a. That is nothing but minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is our formula. Using this formula, we need to calculate the square root of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation we need to calculate. In that we are calculating by using a coefficient, 3 coefficient ABC. To start this program, to write this program, first I am including a 3 library functions: stdio.h, conio.h, math.h. stdio.h is nothing but the standard input output.h. conio.h is nothing but console input output.h. math.h is to support the square root as well as like a power. Math.h is to support square root as well as power. stdio.h supports a printf as well as scanf statement. Conio.h supports a clear screen as well as getch. Always the execution of the program will start from void main. Always the execution start from the main. Either you can have a int main or you can write a void main. Here I wrote void main. Even you can write a int main. If you are taking it as integer, you must take return 0 because integer always returns a value. Now I will need to declare some variable. So I am declaring in the float ABC as a variables, and D is a where we are storing those variables. X2, X3 are the coefficient. I want to clear the previous screen. For that I am taking it as like a CLR SCR. Done. Printf and scanf. Printf where we need to enter the value in the form of ABC, and scanf where we need to take an input. Here I have taken %f. Why %f? Because I have declared all the variables in the form of float. In case I would have taken the double, means here instead of f I should take %d, %d, %d. If I would have taken integer, I should take here %i, %d, %d, %d. And ampersand a is this is the variable. Ampersand is to indicate the address. It holds the address of the base address of the variable a. Here also base address of variable b, base address of variable c. Now to calculate a given roots are real or equal, real or distinct, real and imaginary. We have 3 options. One is real and equal, next is real and distinct, next is irreal and imaginary. For this, to calculate, to make it comfortable for us, I am declaring this b square minus 4ac. The entire b square minus 4ac as a d. I am declaring it as a d. Then I am checking these condition through if. Because if I have the choices like if my the syntax of if is if my condition become true, it will execute this portion. If my condition become wrong, it will go and execute the next part. In case if my first condition is also wrong and the second condition is also wrong, then it will check for the third condition. What my if? If my condition is true, then it will execute the first statement. If my first condition become wrong, then it will come and check for the else if condition. If my both the condition become wrong, then the else part will be executed. Now, whatever the value you are entering, I am checking for the d equal to 0. If my d is 0, then I will get a value as x1 and x2 you can take. Here I have taken x2 and x3. These both will become equal because, check it here, in case this entire thing will become 0 means the left out part is minus b divided by 2a. And I am trying to print the printf statement like roots are real and equal. I am checking the real and equal. I am trying to print both of them. Else if my d is greater than 0, in the case like if I am taking the positive number, what will happen? It will print as it is. So first root I will take it as a minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And the second root I will consider it as like a minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is what for I will get it for x2 and x3. Then my roots are real and distinct I will get. Same thing I will print. Then the left out part is like a real and imaginary. Always remember the imaginary part will be having the I value because it's a composite imaginary number. Here also the same thing. Here we are checking either the negative number, if the d become the negative lesser than the 0, in that case we get for the first condition we get it as like a minus b divided by 2a, because if I have taken already plus symbol, then the minus into plus it will become minus and it will be neglected. And the second case, the square root of, I am taking a fabs of. Fabs means like an absolute value. The absolute value, float absolute value. Always the absolute function can be used to make the negative to the positive. Here the square root of fabs of d divided by 2a to calculate the another root. Then I am printing the given roots are real and imaginary. To print the same I am using x2, x3, x2, x3. Then I am getting the output clear. This is what we got like a Ash include studio.h, conio.h math and including with like a libraries, and we are checking with the if condition the roots are real or equal, real and distinct, real and imaginary. Let us run the program. Before running I need to compile the program, so I am compiling it to check either errors are there. Now no errors, so I am checking. Now I will run the program. Run. Enter the value of A, B, C. Let me take 2, 5, 2. I am getting the value as roots are real and distinct. Now again I will check for another value. Let me try again. First roots are real and imaginary. I am trying 2, 3, 4. I get it as like a roots are real and imaginary. Same way you can do the program for checking the roots are real and equal also. This is a quadratic equation program by using the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and in the main the first input has taken, then you are checking d equal to double equal to 0, the roots are real and equal, d is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct, then the roots are real and imaginary. We are checking the output along with the program. Thank you.